Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today we are going to learning how to learn JavaScript, a step-by-step procedure. Yes, this question is from many of the persons are requesting to know the steps. So let's see. I am asking ChatGPT to get an answer for this, a step-by-step process. I'll explain where you have to choose your career in JavaScript. So before going to starting, if you are watching first time this video channel lecture, please do subscribe. Let's see how to learn JavaScript. That's it. That is a basic question I am asking to ChatGPT. See, here are some steps to follow to learn JavaScript. It is suggesting us. Yes, start the basics of learn about data types in JavaScript, variables, operators, the concepts what you want to focus more to understand, which is a real-time useful in your application development area. Such components it is suggesting in your curriculum. So operators, arrays, loops and conditional statements. So conditional statements is nothing but if-else statements. And learn about functions. Yes, functions are only the key concept of JavaScript. You can use functions to write modular and reusable code for multiple times. Learn about the DOM object model, DOM. So it is like a tree, like a structure that represents HTML document browser. Understand DOM, crucial for building dynamic web applications. Learn about event handling, how to handle events in JavaScript. Such happening in the browsing, how to control your user clickable events, to how to handle by writing the JavaScript code. Learn about the JavaScript object notation, which is JSON objects. JSON is a lightweight data interchange format that is used for exchanging data between server and client, where the browser you are implementing your application and where you are pull and push the data to the server, these JSON objects will be used. Learn about AJAX. AJAX is nothing but asynchronous JavaScript and XML file. It is a technique for creating fast and dynamic web pages, even where you can use these web applications which is implemented AJAX in lightweight and low bandwidth areas. APIs, application programming interfaces, are the way of different applications to communicating each other. Practice, practice, practice. Yes, the best way to learn JavaScript is to build projects and write code in your way. Take a small piece of components and build your own project with the, if you want any resources, you can take it from online, and many of the online tutorials are there, and many of the courses are also available nowadays, like Coursera, Udemy. These are the courses. You just watch it and also participate and join like a forums where you can submit your queries and you can get the result, like solutions from the super seniors. These are also many you may try and apply in your way. So find your interest in JavaScript and start learning such a components to make sure to create a real world application in your own way. If you feel this video lecture is good for you, and yes, it is a really helpful information, please do subscribe. And Hari System is also offering a JavaScript for zero to hero. If you want to join such an online course, find the below description for more details. Thank you.